He passes again. He passes to Messi again. He goes. He scores. Go, Messi. I'll take it. But I don't have a Barcelona. This one is not this Ryan, right? No, It's 3 sides. It's 3 sides. For real 3 sides. This my box.
Abdul, who are all these people?
What is that? The team. The teams.
These are the two teams?
Yeah.
And Ezekiel, who's this over here?
The goalie. No, that's like the goalie. This is the goalie. This is the ball. Like this is the goalie. And I'm going here. This is goalie. The goal. This one is a goal and that one is a goal.
Oh.
No, that's not a goal. Yeah. This is a goal.
So this is the goal?
No, this is your just get a goal.
And this is the goal over here?
Yeah. Why that one?
What teams are playing? Ezekiel, what teams are playing?
Wiggle white just up. That means you get to there's 2 persons. And that's a beautiful one. You so beautiful. I know, I'm saying Madrid. Even Madrid can be black. Because if you mix a lot of silver together then. No, that's Madrid goalie. And that's going to be Barcelona. Okay? Yeah. Now, let's have the same color there. Now, can we put this ball inside here?
What
Don't even have a ball. Yeah. We have a ball like this. No, we're going to put a little ball inside here. No. Yeah.
You got it.
We can. Balls can't be that little. Yeah, because you can make a big, because if we make a big, we can roll it. We can. No. See, I told you the shoes, because there's a shoe right there. Shoe box.
Shoebox.
It's like 100. That's 2 boxes.
What'd you say?
That's 2 boxes of size 100. No, it's like. That's why it's a plug-in. Yeah, but. I don't know that means really big number. It's a 500. I want one of these balls. No, you can't, only if you ask. Can I please get one of these balls? You have to wish, and then your dream will come true. Some dreams can come true, but they can never ever come back. Yeah.
What do you mean?
If you dream something and then you give it away, then it can't come back.
Oh, if you give your dream away?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God! There's supposed to be an orange. Where's the orange? I was right here. No, it's white, but they don't need to be purple. Pink, white. Oh, green? That's girl. No. Yeah. That's a boy. Why is it for green? Yeah. Purple can be for boys. I'm using those teeth. They're not using for teeth. Well, teeth go safe. They're shocking. This is a person. I'm just pretending. It's pretending that it's the White House. Yeah.